Hello guys, today in this video I am going to share my journey with Nut Foundation with Future Perfect app. First of all, I want to say thanks to my trainer Asima ma'am. She is one of the best trainer of Nut Foundation and she is one of the best teacher of my life. She is very supportive teacher and I want to say thanks to my all friends who keep helping me in Future Perfect app and they always support me. They are very supportive friends and I want to share whatever I learned with Nurse Foundation with Future Perfect app. Friends, I have learned a lot of things in about career, about life, about personal life, and how to make career, how to plan for career, and I I learned many things, how to communicate with people and how to discuss, how to give mock interview, how to give a real interview. That was very interesting for me that I have learned with Nuts Foundation. And actually, I have learned how to communicate. My communication skill was not as good as should be, and still not as good. But I have learned a lot of things, and now my communication skill as good as I can talk with people, and I have improved a lot of about myself. And I used to think in which topic we should talk with people. I used to think I have no idea how to talk, in which topic we should talk. But after joining Nut Foundation, I learned there are a lots of topic in which I can discuss in group. I can discuss with group with friends, and I can communicate in English. And this is one of the best way for learning English. That is Nuts Foundation Future Perfect app. I am very grateful to that person who informed me about this foundation, this Future Perfect app. I want to say thank you also that person. Yeah. And I have improved my communication skill. I learned how to think creatively, and I lots of many things. I learned many things such as how to give interview, how to make a resume, how to search a job from job portal, how to make account in LinkedIn account, and how to write in canva.com. And my best season my best season when we discussed about each other, such as I discussed about my life event. That was very interesting day for me, and very interesting season for me. And when I learned how to make career plan, that was also best season for me. And how to uh, make financial plan, how to save money, how can I save money for life, for future. That was also very interesting and very supportive, and it will help me for making my career in future. And I was unable to give interview, but in this Future Perfect app, I learned how to give interview, how to give mock interview. I used to think which types of question is asked in interview, but in last 4 to 5 class, I learned a lot of things for interview, for group discussion, for mock interview, and which types of question can be asked in interview. I have learned many things. And I want to say about uh, season class 74. It was very helpful for everybody because there was a good option how to talk, how to share about your life journey with TED Talk and podcasts. You can share your life journey with them. and this is the good way for sharing about yourself, that is portrait talk. And as well I want to say thanks my all friends. I want to share a few name of my friends. They kept helping me in Future Perfect app, that is Shyama Pathak, Jesse Singer, and Alok, Rajesh, Archana, Nandini. They kept helping me all time, and they are very supportive. They always show empathy with me, and I want to say thanks to them at heart as well. I want to say thanks my ma'am Asima ma'am. She is very supportive teacher, and she kept helping me always, and I hope she will be helping me in future also. And she told me, she teach me taught me how to communicate, how can I improve myself, how can I improve my communication skill, how to think creatively, and that is very helpful for me for career, for future. And Future Perfect app in Nudge Foundation and my class. Especially, I want to say about my class. My class time is 8 p.m. and I share a lot of things my all friends and teacher, um, which was done in my life events. Thank you, friends. Thanks for watching my video, and please like, subscribe, and share. And if you want to learn English, let's join the Future Perfect app Nuts Foundation. This is really one of the best way for learning English, for improving communication skill, for getting job placement. And if you want to learn and get job, let's join this Nuts Foundation and Future Perfect app. I hope this is very helpful, not only for me but also everybody. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, and share. That's it, friend.